Hello, this page is focused on using tools which allow teachers to give students with diverse needs and styles of learning the opportunity to learn in a way that is effective for them. I chose to showcase Text Compactor, a website which condenses long readings into shorter summaries. The use of this tool can be connected to the 5th ISTE standard for educators under 5A, the use of technology to create, adapt, and personalize learning experiences that foster independent learning and accommodate learner differences and needs, as well as the second educator standard 2B under 2B where it says advocate for equitable access to educational technology, digital content, and learning opportunities to meet the diverse needs of all students. I think a tool like this would be helpful for students who have issues reading information quickly or accurately because it simplifies material which gives students clarity. For example, if a student reads a chapter and feels confused, they can go over a summary of the chapter with this tool without having to reread the whole entire piece again. I could also see myself using this tool as an educator because there might be a long reading I want to provide to my students, but it's beyond the scope of the class, or there might be a lot of words they don't understand. And using the text compactor could allow me to give those students that information without rewriting it myself or giving them difficult information. Uh, and the text compactor does have limitations because it calculates what information should be left out through algorithms, which might not represent information from reading clearly or well. It looks at the number of repeated words and writing structure to communicate essential sentences. The website says itself that it works best when compacting textbooks and non-fictional reference material, so it would not be the best tool to use if you want to summarize a reading or a fictional story. I'll show you how this works by entering a Wikipedia paragraph on the history of alchemy. So I have alchemy here. Uh, Here's a little paragraph. I'll do just this first one at first. So I'll copy it and bring it over, and I'll paste it into here. And right now I have it doing or this is the old one. Right now I have it doing the entire thing. So on the entire thing, it looks like this. You can see it's about this long. And then you can change the percentage of what you actually want to see to 80. Let's do 60. Let's do 38. All the way down to 25. So now you can see that this is much shorter than this. Alchemy encompasses several philosophical traditions spanning from 4 millennia and 3 continents. Chinese alchemy was closely connected to Taoism and Indian alchemy. So that's just an example. I'll also do a little bit of a longer piece for this just to show you kind of. I'll do this, I'll do Egypt and then the mythology through technology. I'll just do it to this right here. You can see example of this. So here with this one, it would look like this if the whole thing was in here. Let's just change it to 50, make it half as long. And you can see it didn't get rid of any of this top stuff because it's all like headings. It didn't really paste like a reading usually would, so it didn't really consider that. But you can see it's a lot shorter now, but it still has these like philosophy title, this mythology title right here. So yeah, it's a good tool. It also has a link right here to a text-to-speech program. And then also this just leads to Google Translate in case like you need to translate something to another language as well. I definitely could see myself using this tool in the future, and I hope that learning about this has helped you in some way.